Some of the projects I've been working on recently include the robotics season that just wrapped up, computational biology research, as well as the app I've been developing. One of my relatives actually had a baby who was put into the NICU for a while. As the transition from your baby constantly being monitored in the NICU and coming home and having no support, it's a really big gap. So I wanted to try and lower that gap.
Hashini is a student who is always looking for opportunities where she not only can serve her community, but also the student population here at Cox Mill.
She leads with her intellect, with her thoughtfulness, in the way that she, I think, pushes the group beyond. Students will reach a point in the discussion where, here we are. We answered the question, this is sufficient. And she just takes it a little further.
Especially when it comes to STEM leadership, I'm just really passionate about not only learning myself, but kind of conveying this knowledge onto others.
And for charcoal filtration, we used some cups and we kept charcoal at the bottom.
Okay, so at the end, what did you figure out was the most effective method for desalinating salt water?
With IdeaGarden specifically, me and a friend, Yoshvi, wanted to start our own coaching program. It was hosted in my garage, and we had to purchase all the resources, all the equipment they might need, and we wanted to start by focusing on elementary students. Since we weren't adults or anything, they treated us close to their age, and we spent so much money on snacks. But especially since they were able to pick projects that correlated with their own interests, they were actually interested in the projects. And so at the end, they were able to make their own posters and present it to parents, even as really young students. And the parents were able to understand their projects. They fully comprehended their projects. They could explain it to other people.
The starting salt level, so for solar and freezing, it was high.
Get interested in something and get really passionate about it and be able to speak on behalf of it. I feel like that was a very crucial skill I was able to pass on.
That's how we learn, she said. Each mistake makes a new ripple, and each ripple grows the Glowcode.
In addition to this, there is the children's book I wrote. Learning never really ends. Not for AI models, even though you might think they know everything. Not for Luma, and then not for any of us as well. So I feel like leadership for me sits very closely with innovation. When it comes to what I'd want to bring to the world, it really focuses on making both healthcare and technology access equitable and available to everyone.